Coughing can be annoying, especially when it keeps you up at night. Here's a simple trick that works in just 30 seconds. Take a deep breath, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then swallow slowly while gently pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This works because it stimulates the vagus nerve, which runs from your brain to your throat and lungs. Activating this nerve helps calm the cough reflex almost instantly. For added relief, sip warm water or herbal tea afterward. If your cough persists for more than a week, is accompanied by fever, or produces colored mucus, it's time to see a doctor because the underlying cause may need treatment.